Merge models. In the lecture, we will learn how to merge models and why we do it. The merge model tool is very helpful in modeling complex models, which help us to combine models in ETABS. But before merging the models, the merge model must be checked whether this option can be applied on our structure or the model. Let's have a look at the rules and checks before merging two models. The model to be copied is called the daughter model. There may be multiple daughter models. The model where the daughter model are to be pasted, that is, the model which will be the combined or merged model, is called the parent model. The materials, cross-sections of slabs, walls, beams, and columns, and other important properties of the model such as load cases, combinations, and other things of the daughter model must be defined in the parent model with same names, that are IDs. The story heights of the parent model must be same as the daughter model. The daughter model must be copied from 3D view into 3D view of the parent model. It is important that in the parent model, the story modification is set to one story. The origin of daughter model must be pasted with displacement only in x-axis. Let's have a quick look at the exercise we'll be performing for this lecture. The parent model is shown, which we used in lecture 12 and 13. The daughter model is given as. Please note that the location of origin where x and y axes are shown. The merged model should be as shown in the figure. So this is the parent model which we'll be working on, while this is our daughter model. Note that the location of origin is at here, while in the parent model our origin is located at here. The intention is to paste the daughter model at this location. So we need to know the distance of the origin of the daughter model from the parent model. But first, let's have a look on the important checks. First, we need to check the daughter model's material properties. Let's go to material properties. The material property used in the model is 4000 psi concrete with the same name. Similarly, in the parent model, we must be having this material with the same name and properties. The cross-section properties in the daughter model are beam 18 by 24 and column 18 by 18. While in the parent model, let's have a look. Do we have these sections defined? Yes, we do have already defined these sections with same names. Let's check the slab models. Slab section. Slab 1. Yes, we have slab 1 here as well. Now let's check the story heights. The bottom story height is 12 feet, while the rest all stories are at 10 feet center to center. So let's check in the daughter model. Yes, the bottom story is at 12 feet, while the rest are at 10 feet center to center. Let's have a look at the location of origin. This point we need to know the location where we will be pasting in the main model. This is the point where we will be inserting it in the main model. And this is the point where we need to paste it. So we need to know the location of delta x-axis. Change in x-axis, that is the origin of the newly pasted model, will be shifted over here in x-axis and positive x-axis. So this span is 24 feet. Similarly, we have 5 spans of 24 feet. 5 into 24 gives us 120 feet of x-axis distance. That means that the origin of the daughter model will be pasted at 120 feet along the x-axis. The important thing here is we need to select the model to be copied, that is the daughter model, from the 3D view, and make sure that it is one story selected, and click on edit and click on copy, or similarly press Ctrl plus C. Now go to the parent model where we will be pasting the model. An important thing here is that we must have to open the 3D view where we will be pasting the model. And other important thing is that it should be selected option one story. Now go to edit, make sure that your 3D view window is selected. Go to edit, click on paste, or simply Ctrl V. Delta X, as we see that here we need to displace the origin of the model to be pasted by 120 feet. So you can see when I hover the cursor over the OK, a preview is shown. The model is incorporated in plan as well as in 3D view. One important thing to note that is, if you are pasting the model, you need to select the 3D view, and another important thing is that you can only paste the origin. Let's say if I'm pasting it again, you should not touch this delta Y. Why? Because the shell elements that are the slabs and walls will only be pasted here, while the frame only works in uni-axis. So it will be pasted here. So just play with x-axis only. Let's have a look if we try to paste it at 200 feet. So the frame was pasted here while the slab was pasted here. We will undo this. Let's paste again. It is important to keep the delta Y 0 every time. You can only make changes in delta X so that your slab, shell elements and the line elements stay connected when being pasted to the parent model. It is one drawback of this method.